Hi everyone, here we've got MEIZU M6T and let me share with you how to enable the night mode or eye comfort mode. So firstly, we have to enter the settings because firstly we will customize it. So now let's find the display and brightness option, and as you can see in the display section on the third position we've got eye friendly mode. So this is, let's say, eye comfort mode, and we actually cannot do anything before turning it on. So just tap on the switch right here, and I hope that you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish, and it is obviously in order to filter the blue light, and it will make it easier to look at the screen whilst you will have some dim light around you or just bad light conditions, and it will be just much more comfortable. So here we can adjust the intensity of that feature. Of course, it's up to you which option you like the most. By going to the left, you can make it much cooler, and to the right, much warmer. Right now it is, let's say, orangish. So this is how to customize it. What's more, we can schedule that feature just by tapping on this option, and here right now obviously it is turned off, but we can set it from sunset to sunrise or custom. So after choosing, for example, the custom, we can choose the start time of this option, for example this one, and the end time. I don't know why it didn't change, but no worries, we will just do it again. So as you can see, our screen just turned back to its normal state. It is because we've got the hour which is between the start time and end time, actually not in between the start time and end time, so that's why the screen is normal, let's say. But let me turn it off, and actually honestly this is the whole customization of this feature, and right now I will show you much faster access to it, because all you have to do is to unroll the top bar, and here we should find the icon with that, and actually I cannot find it, so oh, okay. As you can see, if you cannot find the icon in this panel, all you have to do is just tap on this arrow right here, and as you can see here we can let's say add new icon, and here we've got our eye friendly icon for which we are looking for. So let me drag it right here. So let's tap on it and hold it and drag it. Okay, so it will switch places. So as you can see, we just added our eye friendly icon to the panel, and obviously it is right now turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it, and I hope that you can see that the screen turns back to its normal state. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your MEIZU M6T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.